Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. It is a SS car. It's got a beautiful crystal Merlot paint job, white rally stripes, recent restoration, sitting on rallies. As you can see, the BFG tires set up on the car and the big 295 meets in the back. Beautiful, gorgeous paint, nice straight body, great reflection, and I will walk around and point out any defects that I can see in the paint. Car came from the Carolinas area with a clean title. Beautiful chrome. All the trim is nice on the car. Door handles are original to the car. I don't know why it just got so bright. There we go. Okay. Okay, let me adjust my camera here. Trying to get the light there. Okay. There it goes again. That's weird. I'm sorry about that. Glass on the car is really, really nice. All the trim on the car is nice. It's got dual exhaust, 12 bolts rear end, 373 gear ratio with Posi. The 427 motor has headers on it, 4-barrel carburetor, aluminum radiator, tubular front control arms for much better handling, mono leaf springs in the back, excellent grille on the car, all the lights work, and I'll go over that as well. So let's take a moment, and I'm gonna shut up and just walk around the car. If I see any defects in the paint, I will be pointing them out. Beautiful recent restoration. Underneath is super dry, super nice. Beautiful interior. I still do have to vacuum it out. Sorry about that. Original interior with the black buckets. Seatbelts are all there. Beautiful jams when the restoration was done. The verticals look great on the car. Weather stripping is good. Inner outer jams are perfect. Really nice door panels, door lips. Underneath the doors, there's no rot. Nice dash pad, sun visors. Headliner is nice, dome light functions. 6x9 JBLs in the back. Back seat appears to be original, along with all the door panels. As you can see, the 4-speed Hurst. A couple upgraded odometer gauges, radio controls, your super tach here for the RPM, fuel gauge, and your speedo. Okay. Doors open and close excellent on both sides. Everything is super clean underneath. You guys can refer to my photos. Trunk is gorgeous as well. Everything's painted correctly. When I get my hand in here, there's no patches whatsoever. Everything is solid on the car. Now, let's check out the engine. 427 stroked, aluminum headers, like I said, the tubular control arms, the Be Cool radiator, Wilwood setup for the front power disc brakes. Nice, tight, and clean underneath 4-barrel carburetor. Let's fire this baby up. All right, odometer is showing right around 30,000 miles, but the entire restoration has less than 5,000. Even the door buzzer works. Got a nice cam. This car's ready for the car shows and cruising, guys. Ready to go. We're located in Addison, Illinois. If you're looking for financing, it's not a problem. We do offer that as well. If your credit score is between 600 and 739, we require about 10% down, maybe a tab more, but as your credit score increases, the less you need to put down. And you can fill out that credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. And if your credit score is 740 or higher, we got better rates there. At lightstream.com. You can fill out the application directly there if your credit score is 740 or higher. We do offer delivery. Take advantage of that. I will leave my phone number at the end of the video. I will need your zip code. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. Click the red button on the bottom right of your screen. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. For a delivery quote to your home, please text me your zip code and just simply say, hey, Thomas, I watched the video on your 68 Camaro and I would like to get a quote for transportation to my house. And then you can text that over to me. Also, don't forget to check out mgmclassiccars.com with over 100 classics and muscle cars in stock. We own all our cars. We do not do consignments. We put our money where our mouth is, and we go out there and we search for quality classic cars. We go through them and share the information with you, okay? This car here, turn signals, headlights, brake lights, wipers, radio, heat, horn, tire pressure is good. Everything works that I just mentioned. We checked all the oils, all the coolant, brake fluids, speedo works, our PM tack works, oil pressure, fuel, no spare tire. We are going to do a coolant flush on this car before it gets delivered. So we go over everything here and share all the information with you guys. Again, my name is Thomas, and if you're interested, please send me a text message with your zip code and I'll get you a quote for delivery. Just let me know you watched the video. It's very important. And also check out all the photos at mgmclassiccars.com. For those of you who do not text, you could call, not a problem. If we don't answer, leave a message. My name's Thomas, and I can be reached at area code 847-848-1850. Thank you for watching mgmclassiccars.com.